Realme GT Master Edition expected to be launched on October 5, 2021. Expected price of Realme in use is $551. Realme is working on a new handset, and it is expected to be the company's camera-focused phone. The coming phone is very similar to an Oppo Reno phone. The model number of the phone will be RMX3366. The newcomer will be called Realme GT Master Edition. The coming smartphone will be powered by the Snapdragon 778 GHz chipset. The smartphone with this processor will provide the user with powerful results. Realme's GT Master Edition has a 2.4 GHz Octa-Core processor under the hood of this smartphone. The handset has a 6.4 inches big screen size, and it will provide the user with Full HD, plus the resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels. The new Realme GT Master is going to have a Super AMOLED Capacitive Touchscreen display that is the latest one, and well known for its outstanding results. And it has a screen protection of Corning Gorilla Glass. This handset GT Master Edition by Realme will be paired with a gigantic RAM capacity of 8 GB. The chipset and the RAM capacity of the device show that it will enable the user to execute things within seconds. The internal storage capacity of the Realme Master Edition is 256 GB that are enough to store a huge amount of data for future use. And you don't need a memory card. The smartphone is packing a triple camera in the back of the phone. The main camera is 64 megapixels, 8 megapixels, 2 megapixels. The selfie camera is 32 megapixels, which will take wonderful pictures. The upcoming new Realme GT's Master Edition got an under-display, optical fingerprint sensor to protect your data from loss. The battery of this smartphone is 4300 mAh planted inside the belly of the phone, which is enough to keep running for almost 1 or 2 days of active use. And also there is a fast battery charging of 65W in this new handset, which is called GT Master Edition. Now Samsung and other smartphone companies will be looking to bring features like Master Edition.